ahead, go ahead.
Yeah. What am I doing?
Shit, it's hot. It's fucking hot, yeah.
Oh, you're feeling the heat now.
Hot dogs. What?
Hey, you pussy, where are you going? Come here.
I'm coming back.
No, right here. Look, he's right there.
Yeah, there will be no peace till we fucking cook the hot dogs and eat that shit.
Look at him. He's got a hot dog.
Yeah, he's afraid.
Hey, you do it. Go
ahead. Oh, what? Oh, I'm sorry.
Go do it.
Oh, yeah, this is, yeah. Oh, what was me? What was fucking me? I got it, I'm burning up.
I told you.
Oh, shit.
Se está quemando el culo, eh.
It's fucking hot. Alright, I take it back. Here, well, I take it back,
you motherfucker. I lost my fucking finger here. Whatever. I'm starving.
No, I'm talking him with the fire, because I was busting his balls. Like, oh, you're afraid of the fire? And then I went close to it, and oh, God, my fucking skin started burning up.
¿Qué mamazota? Todo lo que estamos haciendo a las...
Oh, there we go.
No me acuerdo ni qué hora es.
What are you doing?
Yeah, throw it. Yeah, throw it.
No, I'm just blowing the fire. Is it that hot? Yes, it's horrible. It's like the depths of hell.
Hey, hello, pussies over there. Is it hot? Sí, mamazota. Puros huevones aquí. Tomando cerveza. Al lado.
What are you doing? Narrating?
Yeah, for my girlfriend.
Oh, yeah?
Because she didn't believe me.
Say hello. Hello, come visit us in New Jersey.
She didn't believe me that I'm all by myself with men over here.
Don't believe you? And you could spy on her and see what she's really saying, right?
Yeah.
We pushed that fire.
Yeah, it'll be.
You good? Come on, it's not even that hot.
You know what you need to do is put like a metal wire, like with it.
God damn, this motherfucker got.
Like a metal wire.
Damn, this motherfucker got hot.
And have it land like right in the fucking middle. And cook that shit that way. You picked the wrong week to quit carrying around an ounce of pot. Even though I have fucking. Yeah, if I thought anyone would have smoked it, I would have brought it with me. I would have.
Is that bear over there?
Bears fucking all over. Oh, yeah, I don't know. Mr. Moan, I go, yeah, Mr. Moan, I'm like, thank you. Also, just beware. I heard there's a lot of bears around. A lot of bears.
It's hot.
So he like his eyes lit up. He goes, yeah. He goes like, oh, I gotta use this one. And he goes like, all right, go find Charlie. Because like, Chris Mullen's dad, like, he's got this running joke where we say for some reason that the Coles, like Rob Cole and Mike Cole, that they're bears. Like, so.
I know.
Oh, you know that?
Well, that's from like 8th grade.
Yeah, but like.
It's stuck.
Well, like, oh yeah, like if you just walk up to him and look him dead in the eye and go like, there's bears around. Like, nothing will bring a smile to his face more than that. He goes,
He loves that joke.
He wanted to reuse it too. He was like, I gotta use that.
It makes it uncomfortable though, because like my aunts and uncles are standing around. He goes, you know what I'm talking about? Like they're all looking at me like, what? Oh, that's
yeah, like you go up to him and you go like,
Sí, mami. Puros machos. No hay ninguna vieja por acá, mami. Ya. Y le doy la vueltica completamente, mami. Allá atrás está el lago.
Oh.
¿Sí?
I think you sharted, dude. Like one of Quigley's.
Oh. It did it.
I got the bulk of that. I inhaled particles.
How did Ed get away with blaming me?